We have been talking about lactose intolerance since past few posts now. But what exactly does it mean? Let's check it out today. Lactose is broken down into simpler sugars for better digestion. Milk curdles in the stomach because of the digestive juices released. But we are not supposed to digest milk at all. Mammals are not able to digest milk as they age. Infants can tolerate it, but adults cannot. Then how do humans do it? The answer lies in the evolutionary changes in our DNA. Lactose is broken down by an enzyme called lactase. The gene that codes for this enzyme switches off in other mammals, but in humans, it remains turned on even in adulthood. This small change or mutation in a gene has changed the dietary evolution of humankind as compared to other mammals. But not all humans have this gene active in them. Studies have shown that only 32% of the world population can digest milk. Out of this, most of the lactose tolerant population belongs to Europe and India. In fact, scientists saw the same mutation in both these populations. Since we have been dependent on animal dairy in our agricultural and societal practices for the past 7,500 years, if not more, this gene mutation got naturally selected and thus persisted. But not everybody in India is tolerant to lactose. Only 18% of the adult Indian population can actually digest milk. Then how do the rest of us continue to consume it? The answer lies in two simple explanations. First, we manifest less severe symptoms of indigestion that are easily reversible. And second, we prepare milk products that contain the broken down lactose, like curd and paneer, that are easily digested. Stay tuned for the next post as we talk about another secret weapon to tackle lactose digestion. Can you guess what that can be? Write down in the comments below about what you think.